Multi-cloud, multi-layered, hybrid IT estates are becoming the norm. IT leaders must adopt rapidly changing technology solutions to ensure market success, competitiveness, and business value. They need to understand the ever-increasing complexity of hybrid environments and deal with tightly coupled applications across multi-layered estates. The painful reality is, most enterprise IT organizations struggle to execute on digital transformation initiatives. They struggle to quickly gain key insights into their sprawling IT landscape and are unable to maintain a centralized platform where business and IT silos can collaborate. They lack analytics and decision support capability that can streamline data management and be flexible enough to meet dynamic transformation goals. And they lack an automation platform that can integrate with a disparate toolchain to execute transformations. Now there is a way to quickly understand your complex ecosystem, break down silos, and execute with any tool to any target, and accelerate IT transformation. The TransitionManager orchestration platform from TDS allows enterprises to execute private, hybrid, and public cloud transformation initiatives from end to end to meet digital transformation goals. The platform automates aggregation of data from any data source, including CMDBs, auto-discovery, and cost analytics, to quickly build a high-value, flexible, single source of truth. The aggregated data is quickly made actionable with the rules engine capabilities. Data quality analysis rules ensure you have the data you need, while target landing zone fitness and scheduling rules accelerate the planning process. Then, powerful dependency maps allow users to analyze how IT assets are connected, ensuring a clear understanding of change impact and risk. As planning is finalized, task sequences are automatically generated within TransitionManager that orchestrate the entire transformation execution toolchain. This results in a repeatable orchestration plan ready to transform any part of your IT environment at any time to any target. Let's take a look at TransitionManager and see how it works. This visual dependency map is the direct result of the automated aggregation and normalization of data from multiple sources. TransitionManager allows you to easily maintain and refresh data for all IT assets, including applications, physical and virtual servers, databases, storage, and any cloud or PaaS services that make up your IT ecosystem. Each record contains not only technical details, but also business-level information that together drive transformation decisions. Every time data is imported, whether at the beginning of a project or during an automated refresh, the TransitionManager rules engine capability provides automation of data quality management, target landing zone fitness, wave planning decision support, and more, further streamlining transformation efforts. As you can see, sets of data can be scored for data quality, drastically reducing the need for manual data management tasks. Once data has passed data quality checks, TransitionManager can recommend any target landing zones and schedule execution waves based on fully customizable rules that analyze business facts, such as cost and criticality, along with technical facts that drive your decisions. With validation and initial analysis complete, TransitionManager's Dependency Analyzer then provides experts the detailed insight needed to fully understand change impact and risk. The Dependency Analyzer automatically creates dependency groups, breaking down large, complex environments into workable units. Individual groups can be investigated, allowing for accurate, timely considerations to be made. Here, TransitionManager has identified risk between 3 applications and a shared database. How you decide to manage the conflict is up to you, but all the data you'll need to make a decision is at your fingertips. Next, TransitionManager generates an entire sequence of tasks called a runbook. These runbooks integrate with the entire migration toolchain and facilitate timely handoffs between tools and teams. This runbook contains simultaneous orchestration of multiple migration tools. TransitionManager's integration with HCX, for example, is automating workload migrations to a new private cloud target. Concurrently, an application and its dependent workloads are migrating to AWS EC2, utilizing TransitionManager's Cloud Endure integration. By invoking a series of API calls, Transition Manager instructs Cloud Endure to install agents on individual VMs to replicate block data to the cloud. Then, verify the installation and ensure each workload is ready for cutover. And finally, launch the server in the cloud target, completing the migration. These tasks are set in motion through the TM Accelerate integration console, allowing for secure, behind-the-firewall access to the entire migration toolchain. Rather than logging in to multiple migration tools, which increases risk, TM Accelerate allows execution of API calls that manage your entire toolchain from one location. Clicking Invoke in tasks within the TM Accelerate console sets in motion the API call that gets the task done. This specific task is passing data we've organized within Transition Manager to the Cloud Endure tool to outline parameters for the VM as it will exist within its target AWS landing zone. This automation accelerates efforts, allowing one resource to perform migration activities for many workloads with any migration tool at the same time, increasing velocity and reducing risk. To stay competitive in today's dynamic technological landscape, innovation is inevitable. With Transition Manager, enterprises have a centralized, moldable platform that breaks down silos and unifies the tools needed to execute on your strategic goals. Transition Manager and TDS have moved more than 400,000 applications and 1.5 million workloads across hybrid IT environments. If you're interested in learning more, visit our website at tdsi.com.